happened.
I saw the death, bro.
Well, no, that's why I died. Yeah, something.
Ouch.
Also, why the fuck would I drop it?
Yeah.
I heard that from like through my mic. I could hear a faint whisper of it. It was off my head.
Who said that? You know, who said that?
Right.
Okay, do you know the learning backwards method?
No, yeah, he taught me.
Love the learning backwards method. I did that in music too. It's effective.
The useful practice of anything.
That's how my fucking orchestra teacher would learn songs.
Anyways, you should implement it.
I will.
I need Wazarez to fit into this. So how many?
That's only for do this. Our practices.
A good starting one would probably be from like 81. Like right here. You like turn off auto check. Make sure you have one set. You don't be better? Butterfunk start position. You look better. Start positions are the best way to practice. Oh,
Decode.
Decode. I'm almost at 1,000 stars now, actually.
you gotta clear your search filters. And also, you misspelled it.
How?
I'm in grinding easy demons.
Butterfunk.
I'm like 7 demons away from.
Restart position.
Wait, no,
is
leave
kinda
that one, leave
crazy.
that one. Yeah, leave that one.
Ow. Don't let me.
What do you mean? You press escape, exit out. Put the next one down. No. 3's not enough. There we go. And then you just press Q and E on your keyboard. You get to practice. How the fuck is it mirrored?
These are great start positions.
Yeah, now you can go to any part in the level and practice it. So you would start at the end. Like going from 9 to 9 out of 10 to for that one. And then once you do that, you would do from 9 to 100, and then from 8 to 100, and then back and back. Until you feel ready to beat it from 0. You know what I'm saying?
Practice makes perfect.
Who?
Most of the time.
Oh, so fuck me, I guess.
No!
Okay.
For your case, yes.
For your case too. I'm gonna screw
I
with
don't
you,
know.
It's on you.
I don't think it's helping in this situation.
Whatever.
That's gonna take long and super learning. Because it's basically a bunch of bullshit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say it's a bunch of bullshit.
It's part of the experience.
That's why I would never play a level like Cicada.
Oh yeah, part of the sucks.
No! Don't say mean things.
You were the one that said bullshit was a part of it.
Just because it has flaws.
Wait, don't move back.
No.
You gotta. Well, you want to start from 9.
Everything in this world has flaws, okay?
Especially Cicada.
Try going from 10.
I need you.
And then do that to the end. Okay. So you get there.
This is the blue hell.
My first team.
BW level.
I was never a fan of blue. I don't know why. It's not even that bad.
I still don't remember if Blue Hell or fucking Puff was my first team, and I'll never find out which it was.
My first demon, I'm 99% sure was Theory of Everything too.
It's like the hardest first team of all time.
I know.
Yay! Beat it.
Wait. What?
No.
I had no
dude.
reaction.
Okay, it's long overdue, I think.
Oh my
They acted like,
god.
oh, I beat it. Like, they beat it. Like,
Yeah, let's go.
It's
what are
Hey
you guys'
Siri,
thoughts on motion?
what's 498 plus 462? Just say the answer.
960.
This guy's like a genius. Wow.
He's a mathematician that never graduated high school.
Oh my god.
60 times.
Well, it's not like I didn't graduate because I wasn't smart enough.
100 out of 10. Wait, I can add this to my
Didn't mean to-
spreadsheet.
What happened?